We want to get the community involved to pinpoint, let's get to know each other, and we could better our community with parents, grandparents, and other people in the community, because it takes a village to raise a child. We have a lot of violence here on the south side of Stockton. So, we figured this event would bring people together, get to know each other, and we have various agencies here. Stockton Peacekeeper, Family Drug and Prevention Program, the Women's Center, Family Resource and Referral, Mediation, Behavioral Health, and et cetera. We have more. We had a parenting class this morning, and then we had Stockton Peacekeeper do a gang prevention program. To educate parents on gangs and to know the red flags of your children being up in a gang.
We could go around the block and talk to people to get together and talk about how we should stop the gang violence and stop the fighting. I used to have friends, but don't hang around with them like that. They're gangbangers now, and they're going around doing other things that I don't even do. So I watch over my brothers and sisters, make sure they ain't around those kind of people, because some kids out here that's like that, they end up gone, dead, or probably in juvenile, and I don't want my brothers and sisters to end up like that.
Let's talk about this. Let's figure out what it really means to both of us, so that we can figure out how to deal with it instead of just yelling and screaming at each other about the situation. Okay?
I was listening to what he was saying. I had gotten a couple of fights before, and when I got into those fights, that changed my head around. I thought I was gonna become one of these kind of people out here, but then I finally looked in it. I've been looking around other people else who've been in a lot of fights. People that dropped out of high school, selling drugs, and I look at them, and I just be like, I don't want to become that, because I want to do something in my life. I want to become a nurse.
We just look forward to this snowballing into another opportunity of helping one another, building one another, and that's all we need to do in this diverse community, is help one another. They just need a push, or need encouragement, and once that encouragement takes place, that push, and then you just gradually and build them into it, and they start taking it on. Now they start taking leadership of themselves, and leadership is what we all have. It's just somehow we have to tap into it and understand me, connect it, and then that's what takes place.